Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video, some amazing news for people that do want to buy a Samsung Galaxy S21. And I'm talking about any model. So Samsung has officially started taking reservations for the S21. And in doing so, they are showing that they are willing to give in high trade-in values if you trade in your existing Samsung phone and get the S21. So basically you can get an S21 for less than the half price. Let me show you what's happening. So grab your Samsung phone and go to shop.samsung, okay? Shop Samsung application. Just tap on it, and once you're there, you're gonna see this option here that says get ready to jump to the next Galaxy, which, as you know, is gonna be announced on January the 14th, the S21 series. So tap on shop offers, and then over here you can tap on reserve now to actually reserve your right to pre-order the S21 as soon as the pre-orders open. This is gonna make sure that you get it first. Now, so that's all great, but here's what I really wanna show you at the bottom here. Right over here, you can choose what carrier that you want for the phone that you're gonna buy, the S21. So if you tap on unlocked, okay, over here, you have the ability to trade in your phone. And of course, this over here reveals all the actual trade-in values. So let's take a look at what's happening. If I tap on this one, and if I tap on Samsung, look at what's happening here. If I tap on model. So basically, if I trade in a Note 20 Ultra, a Note 20, S20 Ultra, S20 Plus, and the S20, Samsung is gonna give me $700 for those phones. So for example, if the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is $1,300, and let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 that you want to trade in, if you trade this phone in, which I'm going to do, I'm going to get a $700 for this phone, okay? Once I do that, my S21 Ultra is only going to cost me $600. That is a stunning little deal, and that is why I love the trade-in values that Samsung offers when you're moving up to a new phone. Now, what if you don't have one of these? You can also scroll down, and if you have an S20 FE, 10 Plus, 10, S10, and S10, you are still getting $550. That's a lot of money for phones from 2 years ago, and if you were to sell these on eBay, you're not going to fetch that price. You can also go down here. You get the same for S10e, 550. And if you have a Note 9, S9, S9, A71, you're getting $350. And as you go down, the numbers start to go down. It may not make too much sense over here unless you really want to upgrade, but you're still getting $250 for the Note 8, okay? But again, over here on the top, that's crazy. All the 20 series of smartphones are getting $700 no matter which variant you have. This one here especially. If you're a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 owner, you know that I'm not a big fan of the Note 20. I love the Note 20 Ultra, which is what I'm using here, but I don't like the Note 20. But I'm still getting $700 for this guy, okay? So go make the reservation anyway. A reservation doesn't mean that you are obligated to buy it later, but you are gonna be first in line. And remember, you are also getting extra $60 credit and $10 credit. So I can literally buy an S21 Ultra after I trade this in for less than $600. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And as you can see, my reservation is complete on the top, right there. I'm all set to go. By the way, going back to the shopping over here, if I tap on the manufacturer, if I go for Apple, look at that, they're still giving you $700 even for the iPhone 12 mini. I think the price of the mini is the same as what Samsung is actually giving you for the trade-in. That's crazy. You also have the options to do Google, 4XL. These are not that big numbers, okay? Especially juicy numbers are with the Samsung trade-ins. Okay, so make sure that you grab the Shop Samsung application and make the reservation. And let me repeat, if you make the reservation, there's no obligation to buy it later. You're just getting yourself first in line to place the pre-order. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right? So real quick, guys, I know we love the internet, but everything that you're doing online is basically being tracked by everyone including your service provider. Now with NordVPN, your location and your connection can be completely hidden and secured under a military-grade encryption, so you can surf the internet without a trace, no matter where you are, whether that's your home or in a public location. So if you do care about your privacy and your security, grab NordVPN. It's so secure, it even allows you to trick the system by making it look like you're surfing the web from another country, while you could be sitting in the United States, so you become untraceable and hack proof. Now if you go to nordvpn.com/org/SAKITECH, what you're getting is 68% off. Plus, you get 1 month free, and of course, you get nothing to lose because you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So make sure to use the link nordvpn.org/SAKITECH, which is also linked down below. It's time to become untraceable.